Today, I'll be showing you guys how to paint your nails black. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. You're going to start by painting all your nails black except for one, and you will paint it white. You're going to start the design by outlining the nail with white. Now, you're going to use this gold tape and put it horizontally across your middle finger and cut off any excess. On this nail, you would do water marble. I'm not following any specific pattern, so do it how you would like to do it. Check out the cards at the top of the video and check out the end screens. And now you will add glitter to accent the nail. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.